see my viewers being like, oh, where did you get that log drum? Oh, that log drum is fire. Oh my god, where can I get that log drum, bro? Oh my god, did you get it on FL Studio Mobile? Yeah, bro. I'm gonna help you find the log drum easy and fast without even using your mags. Right on FL Studio Mobile. But then stay tuned by subscribing and hitting the notification bell and then comment down below. But if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified each and every time I drop a video. And soon I'll be dropping a video with samples link under the description, so stay tuned, guys. So first I'm gonna add a shaker so that we can understand what we're doing. So here's the shaker I'm gonna add. Yes, I'm gonna put it together like I usually do, and then move it back and cut it, and then make sure the BPM is on 112. Then I go to DW sample. So right here I was just searching, looking around for sounds that I can use, and then I didn't see anything that I like. And then some DW sample, by the way. Then I cut it, delete it, and then restart again. Then I go to instrumental. When I got into instrumental, I got into bass. You see this one right here? I got into bass. Then there's a lot of sounds here. There's angry. Or is it angry? I don't know. Angry, and then there's more, bro. There's a lot of sounds. Bass low sub. I'm gonna go down. I look for more. DX7, the one that they use for log drums on FL Studio, the original DX something. I forgot what the name is, but it's DX something. Then I go down, and I forgot that I jumped the log drum. You know, I forgot that I jumped the log drum, but it should be somewhere around here. And I go up, and I saw the beat. Log drum, you see right here. Then I pressed it, and it doesn't sound exactly like a log drum that you know. But anyway, since we got it, let's try it. And then I got it right here. Then played it. It did not sound good, so I decided to make a pattern, and think I should maybe change it after I make a pattern, because it's gonna sound great, you know, if I change it and do stuff, you know, mix it. You know, I add more like I usually do on my other log drums. I add more and more and more. Copy this one, paste it on the other side so I can change it. Put it on the right key. This does not sound like a log drum. Then I got here. This is where things change now. This is why I changed them. I do stuff on right here. I put this shit up. Then I put this down. It's full sets or something. D-tune. And I put D-tune up. This looks familiar, you know. If you watch FL Studio, the original, this looks familiar. On the DX plugin. Put it on salt, man. I really work hard for this, and it actually does not change. So this is not exactly like the log drum that you know, but I'm still gonna struggle hard so that I can make sure it sounds like a log drum, like a real one. Alright guys, this is the best I can show you for a log drum, but hey, we got one, you know, we got one. So let's try and do something about it. So I'm gonna change it. So I'm gonna do more research and finding out on more log drums, you know, like something that sounds like a log drum, or find log drums. Thank you for watching.